the flow is really taken to a new level on BlackBerry 10. We looked at things like notifications, and we just recognized that it's not just about being notified about a conversation. It's really being immersed into it instantly. And so what we've designed is this really clever, intuitive glancing gesture. Now, let me just show you this. As I open an application, not only can I go back down, but I'm able to glance into a notification. I can see I've got unread emails, unread BBMs, but more importantly, as I continue this glancing gesture, I bring right into my conversations. Right? This is absolutely bringing me into and flowing into that actual conversation. And you know what? I get to decide whether I act on it instantly or simply get back to what I was doing. Once you're in your conversations, we keep that flow going.
That's just the first step, guys.
So once you're in your conversations, we've got to make sure that flow's there. You're always going to want to glance right back to exactly what you were doing. So I go into a new message, and I simply glance back to the conversation.
I love that. I love that. So cool.
But you know what? Everything really does flow. We never stop. So you open a photo, you open a PDF, it doesn't matter. Everything flows, it never stops.
Look at it. So, now think of all the information that's coming at you every day through various services and networks. What Vivek showed you is, and we'll take this to an even higher level when the device launches, that you're floating through your menus. Did you see this? And no application actually stops when you do this. Everything you've going on keeps running real time in the background. That is the new engine of BlackBerry 10. Nobody else out there can do this. You have it real time at your fingertips. In BlackBerry 10, we allow all these applications to run at the same time. We stream all feeds to one place. No worries where they come from. You have them all in one place. And you can take action on any one of those inputs at any time you want without popping in and out and searching for other applications. You just flow through it, right? That's the incredible difference with BlackBerry 10. Applications keep running all the time, and you have a flow across all your applications without being application aware even which one you're using. It just goes with you, it lives with you. Doing this, what we really do for our customers base is we are making you really agile and nimble with the BlackBerry. That is the design purpose of this user paradigm, okay? And we do it this way because your time is even more precious when you're mobile. I mean, just like back the days when we brought you the ability to push a button on a BlackBerry and it would show you a capital letter, right? Simple things like that, that we will continue doing and improving on BlackBerry 10 and taking to the next level to just save you time and let you do the things that really matter to you. Don't bother about which application you're in. Just do what you need to do. Gives you a lot of peace of mind while you're active and agile. Mobile matters to us. Our engineers understand mobile. We're a high-tech company in the mobile space. So we know what we need to do to save you time. This is why we invented push. And this is why we all love BBM. When the D for delivered turns into the R for read. One of these little magic BlackBerry moments. But there's other things to BlackBerry that matter. We know that typing for BlackBerry users is really, really important. And we think that BlackBerries simply have the best physical keypad on the planet. No comparison. So, how are we making this typing experience even better on BlackBerry 10? And Vivek, why don't we show the audience a bit about the fantastic, incredible new typing experience on BlackBerry 10?
Sure. So, first we're laser focused on performance, right? We're removing latency, we're increasing responsiveness, and we're really making sure from top to bottom, hardware and software, you get a great typing experience. We're also making sure you can type fast and accurately on BlackBerry 10. And more importantly, we're going to personalize the keyboard for you. We're using things like modeling algorithms, right, to actually learn where you press every single key. So it really becomes a tailored keyboard, just like a glove. So I tell you what, let me show you a little bit about this keyboard. So notice the design, clearly a Blackberry keyboard, right? We've made each key as big as possible. We've introduced those famous frets, and it really lets you type effortlessly. I can actually use gestures to just simply swipe down to bring numbers and symbols into place.
This is what you will be doing days and days while you're productive on a BlackBerry. So watch it. It's really important because it's your flow. It makes you comfortable with a BlackBerry, and it helps you to be really efficient on a BlackBerry. But there's more to it, right?
Absolutely. I mean, two-thumb typing is definitely a BlackBerry way of typing. But you ever have to type with one hand? You're at the airport, bag in one, BlackBerry in the other, rushing around. And we've made sure that this is easy.
I think we all know that.
So you can see now, these next words are actually on the keys that I need to press next. And what that means is I'm able to just, with a simple swipe, fly this up to the screen. And one of the things you'll notice, actually, and I absolutely love this, is even just deleting words, right? A simple swipe.
Oh, you never want to delete words in the BlackBerry. Absolutely. But if you have to.
Exactly. You want to change that statement, you swipe across the keyboard, and you just suddenly see words disappear.
So, all new technology, right? This BlackBerry 10 engine is built from ground up, right? A lot of innovative companies that have joined us in this, that we brought into the BlackBerry 10 team, a lot of efforts going on, and I hope you can see just from this few demonstrations that Vivek has given us how exciting this is going to be and how much of the new era of BlackBerrys this is going to be. This keypad really saves you time, right? It saves you keystrokes, as you could see when Vivek was demonstrating it. And guess what? Even on a full touch device, BlackBerry is still all about typing and getting things done. I love it. I love it. Great. Even more exciting, true to our DNA, we wanted to build the best mobile experience with a camera too, because cameras matters, right? Taking pictures matters to all of us. Because we want to capture these magic moments in our lives, and we want to share them immediately with our audience, with our network, and we want to show them a compelling story that we have created that we want to share with them in the next second. So immediacy is a real key point. So there's another great innovation in BlackBerry 10 that we would like to talk to you about.
Yeah, so we've all been there. We've never always caught the right moment, and we certainly miss a few too, right? Absolutely everyone can relate to this.
So it's all about a technology that allows you to never miss a magic moment. Why don't we talk about that?
Sure. So on the camera with BlackBerry 10, you simply touch anywhere to take a photo, and we actually let you go back and forth in time. Right. Not only just missing the moment, but actually giving you that perfect moment. Right, here you go. This is incredible, because this always happens to me and my wife. When I take pictures of yes, our eyes closed, so I can catch this magic moment now. This is really, this is one of these details, right? This is one of these passions for details of how we make your life on a BlackBerry easier and how we allow you to just capture those magic moments. Again, it's all about agility. BlackBerry 10 is all about agility and making our customers agile so you can do what you want to do. We care deeply about that mobile experience in the inbox, as you've seen, and the keyboard experience, and also on the camera. Much more to come. This is not the full box yet that we have disclosed to you, but it gives you an idea of what this platform is capable of, right? And you can see the detail that we're putting into this platform with all our fine engineers working on it. So thank you, Vivek, for giving us this preview on the market.
That is why we went the hard road, and that is why this hard road now comes to completion on BlackBerry 10. So excited about it. Have a great BlackBerry world, and let's rock and roll this.
Yeah.